What's up, guys, and welcome back to Copy Entertainment. So, Julius Malema is back at the Artwork Committee. You know, Julius Malema, he had gone absent after Shadrack Sibiya was coming to testify, and now that Sibiya is done, his testimony is finished. Julius Malema is back now. Senzo Mchunu is going to be appearing before the committee.
You agree with what I'm saying, Honorable Malema?
No, Chair, when I argue, I'm not arguing with you. I'm arguing with the fellow members who want to suggest, like, because of the party position, they can't move. And what I'm saying is, it doesn't work like that. When the facts are being presented, even if my party position suggests something else, I should now remember my oath of office. That more than a party, I've taken an oath to serve the people of South Africa, and the facts suggest that we proceed in this way. There's nothing I can.
So that's Julius Malema there, finally back in Parliament after that long absence, you know, when Shadrack Sibiya was testifying. So people were now coming up with all sorts of theories, you know, to say that Julius Malema was running away from being implicated by Shadrack Sibiya if he was present at the ad hoc committee. And I'm sure you saw that Shadrack Sibiya was not happy with certain individuals who were there in Parliament. So people were saying that if he was present, you know, maybe Shadrack Sibiya was going to point out that he doesn't want the presence of Malema in there. So those are just the theories, but they're not proven. But trying to answer that question, you know, as to why he was not present when Sibiya was testifying, you know, because you deliver, you know, make a lot of noise when Mkhwanazi is there. When he is no longer there, you disappear. It raises a lot of questions, you know, and it makes people ask. And if I'm to try and find a reason why, you know, I think that Julius Malema just took time as a human being, you know, just taking a break, a rest, you know, just like we all need a break. It has nothing to do with any conspiracy theories. It was just taking a break. I'll catch you guys on the next one.